Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am Tamilarasu, your trusted business coach. If you are an entrepreneur, business leader, or anyone involved in manufacturing, today's topic is going to be indispensable for you. We are diving deep into the world of bills of materials or BOM, a subject often overlooked but critical to your business success. You might think of BOM as just list of parts. But let me tell you, they are so much more. A well-managed BOM is like the backbone of your manufacturing process, impacting everything from product quality and production timelines to costing and even customer satisfaction. Mismanage it, and if you are opening to your business for risk, from cost overruns to compliance issues. So if you are keen to master the intricacies of bills of material management to give your business that competitive edge, you won't want to miss this. Make sure to stick around until the end. Let's get started.
1. What is a bill of materials, BOM, and why is it essential? A bill of materials, BOM, is a comprehensive list that outlines all the materials, components, and assemblies required to manufacture a product. In essence, it serves as the recipe for product creation. Its importance is manifold. It is crucial for accurate costing, efficient manufacturing, and effective inventory management. 2. The anatomy of a bill of materials. The BOM is made up of various elements, including part numbers, descriptions, quantities, and unit costs. These elements create a structured view of all the resources needed, helping organizations accurately plan procurement and production. 3. Different types of bills of materials. There are multiple types of BOMs, including engineering BOM, EBOM, manufacturing BOM, MBOM, and sales BOM, among others. An EBOM is focused on the design and development phase, detailing the components as per engineering requirements. The MBOM, on the other hand, is used during the manufacturing process and may include additional details like batch sizes and routing information. Sales BOM is customer-facing and usually includes items as they are sold as a package. 4. How to create an effective bill of materials. Creating an effective BOM involves several steps, starting with listing all raw materials, components, and sub-assemblies. This list should then be categorized and organized hierarchically for easier understanding and usage. Each item should be assigned a unique identifier, and relevant details like unit costs, quantities, and lead times should be included. Regular updates are crucial to keep the BOM accurate and up-to-date. 5. Software tools for managing bills of materials. Many software tools are available to help manage BOMs. These tools offer features like version control, real-time updates, and integration with other enterprise systems like ERP or PLM. The software can also aid in cost analysis, change management, and compliance checks, thus adding an extra layer of efficiency and accuracy to BOM management. 6. Bill of materials in supply chain management. BOMs play a pivotal role in supply chain management. They help in planning procurement, scheduling production, and managing inventory. A well-structured BOM can significantly improve the efficiency of the supply chain by providing accurate information on required materials, their quantities, and lead times, thereby minimizing delays and reducing carrying costs. 7. Cost optimization strategies in bill of materials. Managing costs is a critical aspect of BOM management. Strategies for cost optimization include bulk purchasing for volume discounts, alternative sourcing to find cheaper suppliers, and value engineering to redesign products without compromising quality. 8. Bill of Materials and Product Lifecycle Management, PLM. The BoM evolves along with the product's life cycle. PLM systems offer a structured way to manage this evolution. From initial conceptualization to final disposal, PLM software can track changes to the BoM, ensuring that it remains current and relevant throughout the product's life, thereby aiding in both efficiency and compliance. 9. Challenges and solutions in Bill of Materials Management. BoM management comes with its own set of challenges, such as data inaccuracies, version control issues, and the complexities of global supply chains. Solutions like centralized databases, version management software, and automated notification systems can mitigate these challenges, making BoM management more streamlined and effective. 10. Future trends. Bill of Materials in the age of IoT and Industry 4.0. The role of the BoM is evolving with technological advancements like IoT and Industry 4.0. Real-time data, predictive analytics, and digital twins are some of the innovations that are making BoMs more dynamic and responsive. These technologies promise to bring about a new era in BoM management, characterized by increased efficiency, greater accuracy, and proactive decision-making. The Bill of Materials is not just a technical necessity but a strategic asset that affects an organization's bottom line. In the dynamic landscape of Industry 4.0 and IoT, mastering BoM management is not just beneficial, it's essential. If you found this video informative, make sure to hit the subscribe button below the video.